Probably. I gotta set this bar up.
You want me to help you?
Yeah, you got it, Zach. Thanks.
give you guys a little breakdown now how the gate project turned out. First things first, the hinge. So the hinge that I used, this is just 1-inch gas pipe, and then I went to the Tractor Supply store and I bought hitch pins like you'd use on like a 3-point on a tractor. So I bought 1-inch hitch pins and then 1-inch gas pipe, and the two actually sleeve together really nicely. So there's a hack for you if you're ever trying to come up with a way to make a cheap hinge. Go buy 1-inch gas pipe and a 1-inch hitch pin. There's just enough slop in there for grease to kind of fit in and keep things lubricated so things don't seize up. So go ahead and give you an idea how this thing works. I still have to put some sort of latch on this, like a pipe or something to hold it in place, but see how nice this thing actually moves. One hand. Nice and easy. And then for the latch, I just welded 2 little pipes together. It's a little snug, but 2 little pipes together, drop a bolt between them, that's it. Nice and solid at that point. So I used 6-inch weld casing. I bought 20-foot sticks at an auction. I think I got 4 or 5. I think I paid $10 a stick. It's quarter wall, 6-inch diameter weld casing. Just tunneled out some holes, bored out some holes in the ground. I didn't even set them in concrete, which maybe I should have. I don't know. They've settled a little bit, and I noticed that when the temperature goes into like a freeze, so now this has been up for a year. This video's, I don't know if I mentioned that yet. This video's about a year old. This fence has been in for a year. But in the wintertime, when the ground freezes, the pipes will move up and down just a little bit. So maybe I should have put them in concrete, but they have a little bit of wobble to them, but not much. They're about 4 feet in the ground, and I've got this like CA6 and gravel and stuff packed all around them. So they're not going anywhere. The overall length is about 60 feet, something like that. It's about 8 feet tall, which is nice. That's what the town lets me put in. We put in an 8-foot tall fence. So I'm going to set this phone down, record this thing opening and closing. Everything is scrap metal. The panels are decking that you'd put down on a building before you, like on the floor before you pour concrete. We've got a scrap yard not that far away from us that sells anything that comes in that's still reusable. They'll sell it for about 3 times scrap price. So I think I paid at the time about 35 cents a pound for the actual corrugated metal. And I also picked up all the right angle, it's like 3x3 by quarter. Maybe that one's a little bit thinner, but angle iron, about 3 inches by 3 inches, and again I paid like 35 cents a pound for that stuff, which I thought was crazy. I've got a fair amount left over. I saved all the cutoffs because they were longer than I needed, and for right now I just have them stacked up. The plan, long-term plan, I guess, as soon as I get time and the energy and the willpower, is to close in the rest of that area over there. For the rest of the backyard bullpen, I think I'm probably just gonna run like a 6-inch chain link fence with like the privacy screen or slats or something to be a little more affordable in regards to and faster to install.